Hello everyone, Oscar from Jimi IoT. Our new JC261 is out now, and as an iteration of our best-seller JC400 series, you might be curious about the differences between the two. So in this video series, I will break it down for you. The driving force behind the JC261 is the market demand for dual-channel dashcams, which boast ADAS and DMS features. We have also taken your feedback from using the JC400 series to heart and made several improvements for better user experience. Compared to the JC400 series with 3 models, we simplified it to 2 models for the JC261 series. JC261P, similar to JC400P, boasts 2 built-in lenses in one housing for real-time monitoring of the road and interior, making installation a breeze. JC261 comes with only 1 built-in road-facing lens. If you need more angles, simply add an external camera. For specific needs like DMS functionality, go for JC170. To monitor the interior, explore our CI series cameras. For external views, the CE series waterproof cameras have got you covered. All JC261 series share the same firmware. Even activating DMS is a simple parameter switch via command, so no need to stock multiple models. It's all about choosing the right combo before shipping, and optimization from JC400 series. In terms of AI, all JC261 series support the basic ADAS features. The JC261 can even run both ADAS and DMS algorithms at the same time. The ADAS functionality is what we have added here. Our JC261 can detect 3 ADAS events, and it will emit audible alerts to warn drivers in real time. The combo of ADAS and DMS provides comprehensive protection for both your drivers and your vehicles. And we have also fine-tuned the firmware, allowing the customization of the language and alert content.
Relax.
We believe these changes may aid flexibility to match our products with your projects. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, and thank you for being part of our Jimi IoT family. Hello again, Oscar from Jimi IoT. In the previous video, we delved into the backstory and key features of JC261 series. Hope it gives you the preliminary understanding. Now, let's address some common queries. Integration options include IoT Hub, protocol, and API of TrackSolid Pro. If you have previously integrated our JC400 series using any of these options, you can stick to the same for the JC261 series. Noteworthy, IoT Hub is tailored for seamless integration with all Jimi IoT products, ensuring swift adaptation to new releases. I strongly recommend exploring this for cost efficiency. The protocol for the JC261 series is essentially same as that for the JC400 series. However, the following 2 aspects may need your attention. As JC261 series has integrated ADAS, so the new alert IDs will have to be added to pass the ADAS alerts, while the alert content remains unchanged. Ensure that your platform supports the video acquisition and playback, both in MP4 and TS formats, as JC261 series uses the TS format. We prioritize providing holistic solutions featuring with the terminal and the platform. Therefore, we will ensure the seamless integration of each product launched with TrackSolid Pro. At the same time, we also aim to integrate them with the major third-party platforms. If you are a platform service provider, we'd like to hear from you, and together we can provide customers with different requirements a better experience. The solution for the JC400 series is also suitable for the JC261 series. So if you have previously developed your own firmware, it also can be used on the JC261 series. If you would like to verify, don't hesitate to contact us to obtain the latest pro version of the firmware. If you have further questions or need assistance, please feel free to let us know. Hello everyone, Oscar from Jimi IoT. Nice to see you again. In the previous videos, we addressed several frequently asked questions. So now, let's dig into the details that set the JC400 series and the JC261 series apart. Now, I have got the JC261 in my hand. We have opted for the same distinctive packaging used for the JC450, simple and super recognizable. Upon cracking open the package, you will find a card detailing AI functionality calibration, a handy guide for your installation team. Moving on, we have got two sections for the main unit and accessories. The standout differences in the main units of the JC400 and JC261 series lies in this cable. The JC261 series streamlines its cable design, having just one lead-out cable, compared to the JC400 or JC400P with separate cables for the battery and remote camera. Having just one cable makes concealment much easier. Due to this adjustment, the power cable of the JC261 series isn't interchangeable with the JC400 series, and vice versa. The power cable is pluggable and detachable. If you are obtaining power via the OBD point, there's no need to replace the entire cable. Just swap out wire at the power obtaining interface. This saves procurement time and reduces installation complexity. Another distinction in the main unit is the road-facing camera. To enhance the accuracy of the ADAS algorithm, we have fine-tuned the capture angle from 110 degrees to 85 degrees. The accessories supported by standard JC261 series are similar to those for the JC400 series, except for the external battery. As mentioned earlier, the power off alert feature in the JC261 series has been optimized as an optional choice. In summary, we are monitoring a similar appearance to the JC400 series. The JC261 series is optimized in combo sales, firmware, and installation. If you are intrigued, feel free to reach out. That's all for today. We hope this can provide you a clearly understanding of our JC261 series. We will keep you informed about the new features and releases. Also, if you want to learn more, drop us a message. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.